I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you who participated in this year's Vumba Marathon. Your energy, enthusiasm, and commitment to health and wellness are truly inspiring. I would also want to recognize everyone who traveled to join us for the marathon. Your dedication to this celebration of fitness and community enriches the event. It's uplifting to see how the Vumba Marathon has become a meeting point for runners from diverse backgrounds, united by a common passion for running. It is important to reflect on the significance of this event, and not just as a race, but as a movement. The Vumba Mountain Run embodies our brand promise to unify our communities and create a more sustainable and better future for all. For us, this marathon is not just about running. It's about fostering a culture of regular exercise and promoting health and wellness across Zimbabwe. We believe that physical fitness is a cornerstone of a thriving society, and your participation today sends a powerful message about the importance of taking care of our bodies and our minds in the future. Let us continue to champion health, wellness, and environmental stewardship in everything that we do. Now, as we prepare to announce the winners of today's marathon, let us celebrate not just the achievement of the top runners, but the collective spirit of everyone who participated. You are all champions for health and the environment. Thank you for being here today, for your commitment to a healthier Zimbabwe and your unwavering support of our shared vision. Let's continue to run towards a brighter, healthier, and more sustainable future together. Congratulations to everyone who participated and went beyond their limits. Thank you all.
We are very happy as a National Athlete Association of Zimbabwe. We have just come out of our elections where we had one, is the last 2 years we are very successful. In the history of this country, we have never had two athletes getting to the Olympics, their first Olympics, and again in the final. Again, Zimbabwe was one of the two countries in the world out of 214 countries of athletics, with the two athletes in the finals of the 200 meters at the Olympics. We were happy that Zimbabwe and the USA, there were only two countries with two athletes in the final. That was a great achievement for us. In the next 4 years, we are looking at the growth of the organization. We want to retain most of our sponsors to make sure that the organization grows. Presently, 2 days ago, we had a partner that came from Netherlands that is going to have a high performance center for middle and long distance, focusing on marathons with based in Maasai sports promotion that is based in Netherlands. We've already agreed and signed an agreement that for the next 4 years they will be having a camp and channel our marathon runners to Netherlands and managing for global competitions. We have also in the process of signing an agreement with the marketing partners to make sure that the sport is marketed. We've also agreed with athletes that are based in America. We'll be having a new competition for track that is sponsored by our former athletes that are based in America. So in White City Stadium, there will be 3 new competitions that are sponsored by former athletes. That is spirit of former athletes coming back, plugging back to their own organization. That is the spirit that we expect as an organization, that most of our athletes are plugging back to their organization. Again, we want to retain most of our sponsors. If you look at Old Mutual, we have quite a number of races that are sponsored by Old Mutual. Old Mutual Vumba Marathon is one of our elite marathon on our calendar. We are happy that is continuing on the calendar. We are going to have another new marathon in Harare. In the next 2 weeks, we have an international route marker that is going to make sure marathon routes, about 5 of them in Harare, will be officially recognized for their attempts to qualify for the major championship in the world. So we will be marking about 5 routes in Harare. That is one of the issues we want to focus on. On the track, we want to make sure we retain our partners. We also want to make focus on the homegrown solution, where we want athletes to train home, compete in Botswana, Zambia, and qualify. The home solution resulted in the development of Mpofindi Marathon, so that's the route we are also going to use again to qualify and run here home. So we are hoping for the best for the next 4 years. We want to remain positive in terms of governance. We want to make sure we manage the association well. And my philosophy remains that in the next 4 years, we don't handle any cent from these partners. The partners handle their funds. The federation provides the technical support for any competition, and that has made the relationship very healthy in all our organization and all events.
Then commenting about this.
I'm very happy about the Vumba Marathon. I'm telling you, the Vumba Marathon, we've already made it one of the best in terms of mountain racing in Zimbabwe. It's the elite in terms of that we are recognizing, and we are going to put it on the regional calendar to invite, like what we've done in Lesotho. So this one will be a specific mountain race. Here with Kenyans, here with Mozambicans, here with 2 Botswana guys who are here. That bring of international athletes make us great. And we want to thank again both Mutual for having confidence in the federation, having confidence in people from Manicaland, and make sure the event is run every year.
Yeah, wanaita athletics ndinowakurudzira zvakanyanya ndichiti ngatishinge, because athletics chinhu chakanaka for fitness, even pakurarama chaiko. Iniseni zvangu zviri kundiraramisa. Zvinhu zvekuti vamwe pandinotrainawo tinosangana nemachallenges ekuti vamwe vanoseka, vamwe vanodii, unfortunately pamwe inawo kuti havazonzwisisi. But kune vanozvinzwisisa, kana uripo ngatitraining, chakanaka chinouya kumberi.